Hey guys, welcome to Tech Refreshed, and subscribe. Today we have the Redmi Note 7, so let's do its unboxing. Now let's see its specification. Redmi Note 7 sports a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, LTPS display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 450 nits brightness, 84% NTSC color gamut, 1.95mm narrow frame, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And 2.5D curved glass protection. Moreover, on Redmi Note 7, Redmi also retained many useful functions for the mobile phone. For example, the interface was changed to Type-C, and at the same time, the 3.5mm headphone jack of the mobile phone was retained, and the infrared remote control function was supported. Redmi Note 7 still retains the LED light for the mobile phone, but LED light is slightly smaller, and the position is not centered at the bottom bezel. The Snapdragon 660 uses the Samsung 14nm FinFET process, the CPU uses the 8-core Cryo 260, and the GPU uses the Adreno 512. The reason why Xiaomi emphasizes that the Redmi Note 7 uses the full-fledged version of the Snapdragon 660 because of its location. The Snapdragon 660 with a large core frequency of 2.2 GHz is used, which is more powerful than the 1.95 GHz Snapdragon 660 used by some other device. On the back of device, there is a fingerprint scanner and the Redmi Note 7 sports dual camera setup with 148-megapixel Samsung GM1 sensor with f/1.8 aperture and another 5-megapixel sensor. The cameras at the back get monochrome dual LED flash support, DAF, and are touted to be elevated using AI-backed software features like portrait mode, background blur, HDR, handheld super night scene mode, eyes, 1080p video recording, and more. And Xiaomi has improved the night scene in Note 7 clicks better night shots. Up front, there is a 13-megapixel selfie sensor as well with features like Eye Face Unlock, Eye Smart Beauty, Eye Single Shot Blur, Front HDR, Background Blur, and more. The Redmi Note 7 packs a 4,000 mAh battery with quick charge 4 support. The company says, up to 251 hours of standby time, 23 hours of talk time, 13 hours of video playback, and 7 hours of gaming. That's all guys, like and subscribe, see you in next video.